Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge. This is week 40, and it's hard to believe that we'll only have 12 more after this. And our prompts for this week is a window or a door, and I've got this fun page. You've got your window and you've got your door. And something that represents time. I've got this clock. A chewing gum or cough drop wrapper. I've got this cough drop wrapper, a piece of clothing. I've got this jacket, block text. I've got this, and a bonus is a bug or insect. And I've got all these butterflies and sunflowers. It's got the butterfly, and I think that might be block text as well. I've already got my page stamped. I stamped it with the Tim Holtz oxides. I've got the carved pumpkin, the crackling campfire, and black soot. And I just took a sheet of pastel paper that I had in a tan beige and just stamped it all over and inked around the edges to have me prepared, and so you wouldn't have to just watch me do that. So I hope you'll enjoy this video. Please be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel and the hashtag 2022 CWP40 to see what everybody's made. I'll have it listed in my description box. So without further ado, let's get started. finished. I really love how it turned out. I've got my window door, something that represents time, a clock, chewing gum, a cough drop wrapper, I've got the Ricola, a piece of clothing, I've got this jacket, block text, I've got this, and a bug or insect, and I've got butterflies all over the place. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2022 CWP40 to see what everyone's made. There are some very, very talented people putting together these collages. So until next time, bye y'all.